What kind of trends are you seeing out there in private equity? What are you thinking about that you think maybe other people aren't talking about?
Well, if you're looking at private equity in North America, there are certain industries where you are seeing more significant transformation and therefore opportunities. I'd say specifically energy and energy-related healthcare, will obviously be impacted by what ultimately happens in regulatory reform, but definitely a lot more sort of capital going into healthcare spending. In private equity, you're generally trying to find industries where you think there will be change and therefore opportunity, but in North America, where we forecast at best, sort of modest growth going forward, it's more about the specific company than the macro story, and how can you change a company to make it better and improve profits. Outside of the United States, we're looking actively in Asia, primarily China, Indonesia, and then in South America and Brazil, and we see opportunities there. Colombia, I think, in the next couple of years will emerge as a new market for private equity.
And is that based on age, based on youth, based on a growing elderly population, based on a younger population that is ready to get into business in those emerging markets?
It is demographic driven. It's not just age, though. It's economies where there are underlying resources, including human resources, but where I think political conditions have now adapted to create an environment of economic growth. They tended to open up, freed up capitalism to a degree, and allow companies to grow and prosper.